everyone, we are here at KubeCon Detroit 2022. I'm here with Josh at the Cert-manager booth. We're going to talk about network security. So Josh, can you tell us a little bit more about how your KubeCon experience has been and if you have had any good discussions at the booth?
Brilliant. Yeah, of course. Yeah, KubeCon 2022 Detroit. It's been really good. It's a really interesting city. It's a kind of huge venue. The kind of place goes back like almost a kilometer. But it's brilliant. Yeah, we've had lots of people come around, lots of Cert-manager users, lots of Cert-manager contributors too, which has been really cool. I've seen a few people that I've seen on kind of GitHub a few times. It's nice to put a name to a face. It's been really good. But no, it's been really good.
Yeah, I heard a lot of good things about Cert-manager as well. So I'm saying like you have your scripts and your bash files and all these things, and then Cert-manager comes into the way, and you don't. It's all obsolete now. You don't do those things anymore. So for folks who may not be familiar, and we're talking about in this video specifically network security. So can you tell us a little bit more about what are some of the challenges that you have seen folks face and how Cert-manager is addressing those challenges?
Yeah, for sure. So Cert-manager, for some background, has been around for a number of years now. We've been V1 for a couple of years as well. And the kind of way it first came around is when it's kind of the nice sweet spot where Kubernetes was starting to become in its infancy, becoming more popular. And then Let's Encrypt coming out with the Acme protocol, and then the kind of Let's Encrypt service as well. So if you're not familiar with Cert-manager, Cert-manager has been around for a number of years now. We've been kind of V1 for a couple of years. It's come originally Cert-manager. So Cert-manager was first developed kind of in the sweet spot where Kubernetes was first getting popular, kind of in its infancy. At the same time as Let's Encrypt came up with the Acme protocol, and Let's Encrypt is a service that you can use to get publicly trusted certificates. There's this kind of perfectly wedded situation where, let's say we have like a web server on your Kubernetes cluster, you want to expose it to the internet, you want it to be over TLS, we need a publicly trusted certificate. We can use Let's Encrypt for that, and you'd use Cert-manager to facilitate getting that certificate. But over the years, the use cases have expanded a lot more, so people aren't just using it for their publicly trusted certs, they're using it for their internal certs as well, so using things like Venafi or Vault, these sorts of things, securing their mesh with meshes such as Istio, Open Service Mesh, these sorts of things. And over the years, the kind of project itself has matured. We started to build around this kind of satellite projects as well. So we've got the CSI driver now, approver policy, so having a policy over what certs you can request and these sorts of things. It's been really good. And of course, recently we just got accepted into incubating and for CNCFs. Yeah, it's great. Yeah, a long time coming. We're like looking to graduation now. But no, yeah, it's super exciting. Yeah.
And from the discussions that we've had, have you had any do you see any interesting networking talks at KubeCon? So taking all that into consideration, if you talk about the future, some of the trends that you see upcoming.
Yeah, so in terms of the project and the maintainers, the sorts of things we're talking about at the moment, we're certainly super interested in Spiffy. We're super keen on Spiffy and of course Spire. Keen to see Cert-manager doing a lot more work in the kind of Spiffy space, whether that be ourselves being a signer or indeed maybe doing advocacy or perhaps helping other projects integrate with Spiffy. And the second area is trust distribution. So this is, yes, kind of distributing CA bundles, but doing that in kind of an intelligent way. Trust distribution is certainly another thing on the list that
amazing.
we want to tackle next. Yeah.
Thanks for sharing, Josh. And if you want to learn more about Cert-manager, you can check out the links in the description below. If you want to see more clips from KubeCon, check out Civo TV on YouTube. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Cheers, everyone.